Well, guys, it's almost nighttime, so we're about to go to bed soon. Man, I'm so tired because I just got the Master Lemo all day, including all night. So I'm gonna go back to my room and get some sleep. Well, I'm going back to my bed as well. Okay, you guys can do that. I'm about to go to bed as well.
The next day.
Man, what a good sleep. I hope all my friends are doing good today. And time for me to get some breakfast. What the heck? What does that sound? It sounds like Chuck. Let me go check him out. Hey Chuck, are you okay? No, Jaden. Hey, last night, yesterday, today I just woke up and I got the hiccups. Oh. Don't worry, Chuck. Let me take you to Mario because he's the one who'll have his doctor outfit on. Follow me. Okay, Jaden. Hey, Mario? Yes, Jaden? Something wrong with Chuck. Yeah, Mario. I got the hiccups. Mamma mia. Give me a second. Let me get my doctor's outfit. Okie dokie. I got my doctor's outfit on. Let me check up Chuck. I think I see what's the problem. What did you see, Dr. Mario? Well, you see, Jaden, something is stuck inside Chuck's throat. And that's why he got the hiccups. Can you at least do something? I don't want to have hiccups for the rest of my life. Give me a second. I'm gonna look the mushrooms, but I gotta ask Tails. Okay, Mario, you do that. Well, Chuck, looks like you just have to wait till Mario comes back with the mushroom. I guess you're right, Jaden. Don't worry, it's gonna be not that long. Okay, Jaden, if you say so. Don't worry, Chuck. He's gonna come back with the mushroom pretty soon.
A few moments later.
Man, Mario's taking so long to get the mushroom. Yeah. Hey, Jaden. Yeah, hey, Jaden. How's it going, Jaden? Hey, Sonic and Classic Sonic and Foxy. I'm just waiting till Mario get the mushroom for Chuck. Why? Because Chuck has the hiccups. After he just woke up, he just got the hiccups. That's why I'm waiting for Mario to get the mushroom to give to Chuck, so he can have no hiccups anymore. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, if you excuse me, Jaden, me, Classic Sonic, about to get 2 hot chili dogs. Yep. I'm going back with my Pirate's Cove. Okay, you guys can do that. Don't worry, Chuck. Mario's gonna come back with a mushroom anytime soon. Maybe I should wait inside my room for a minute. Okay, Chuck, you do that. Hey, Jaden. Hey, Mario. What took you so long? Sorry I took so long, Jaden. It's just, Goombas and Koopa Troopas keep on chasing me around and keep on wasting my time to bring this mushroom over here. Oh, at least you're home. Yes, I know. But where's Chuck? Oh, he just went back to his room. Just follow me so you can give him the mushroom so he can stop the hiccups. Okay, Jaden. Hey, Chuck. Guess what? What is it? Jaden. Mario is back with the mushroom. Yeah, okie dokie. Here's a mushroom, Chuck. Okay, Chuck, eat it up so you can have no hiccups. Okay. Huh? It works! My hiccup is gone! It's finally gone! Thanks, Dr. Mario. Anytime, Chuck. Let me just change my outfit. Okay. And thanks, Jaden, for your help. No problem, Chuck.